Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up auto refresh on your Chrome browser. Fast, easy, and with zero hassle. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automatically refresh web pages at your chosen time intervals. Whether you're tracking live updates, monitoring stock prices, or just keeping your favorite site up to date, this simple trick is going to save you a ton of time. So let's jump right in and get you set up. First, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. Make sure you're working in Chrome specifically, since the extension we're going to use is designed for this browser. If you've got other browsers open, don't worry. Just focus on Chrome for now. Once Chrome is open, head over to the address bar up top and type in Chrome Store. Now, you might see a few different results, but what you're looking for here is the Chrome Web Store. If you're new to extensions, think of the Chrome Web Store as an online shop where you can add new features and little tools to your browser. So click on the Chrome Web Store link and let that open. After you're inside the Chrome Web Store, take a moment to look around if you want. But our focus is on adding an extension. Extensions are like handy add-ons. They can help you automate tasks like refreshing a page, block ads, manage passwords. The list goes on. Now, just near the top, you'll see several categories. Make sure you click Extensions, since that's where we're going to find the tool we need. Now you'll see a search box. In there, type out Auto Refresh Plus. This is a popular, reliable extension designed to do exactly what we want. Automate page refreshing with a bunch of helpful options. Once you see it appear in the search results, look for the one with the familiar blue icon. Double-check the name to be sure. There are a couple of similar sounding extensions, but Auto Refresh Plus is the one we're using today. Click on Auto Refresh Plus and then hit the Add to Chrome button. The browser will quickly prompt you with a little pop-up asking for confirmation. This is normal. It's just Chrome making sure you're okay with adding new extensions. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Add Extension. It might take a few seconds to install, so don't worry if there's a short pause. Once it's installed, you'll see a little icon appear in your browser's top right corner. This is your extension's home. But to make things easier, let's pin this extension so you always have easy access. Click the puzzle piece icon up top, find Auto Refresh Plus in the list, and then click the push pin next to it. That'll keep it front and center on your toolbar, saving you a step for future use. Now, click on the Auto Refresh Plus icon. A small window should pop up, giving you several customizable options. This is where you can set how often you want the page to refresh. Say, every minute or every 5 minutes. Take a moment to think about the interval that fits your needs. If you're watching a live sports score, you might want a shorter refresh. If you're waiting for a product restock, maybe every 5 minutes is perfect. Adjust the time interval using the controls provided. Don't worry, it's super intuitive. Once your interval is set, simply click Start, and if prompted, give any permissions or allowances the extension asks for. That's just the extension making sure it has permission to reload that page for you. Nothing to stress about. And that's it. Your page will now refresh automatically based on the time settings you chose. It's as easy as that. If you ever want to pause or stop auto refresh, just click the extension icon again and hit Stop. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one. See you in the next video.